it's Miss Mayra
and Miss Amy,
and we're from the Rogers Public Library. Today we'll be doing hands-on and story time. Our theme for this week is gnomes. So I made 2 cute little gnomes out of a toilet paper tube. So you will need a toilet paper tube and construction paper. I used blue for the body. After that, I rolled it around the tube and I glued it. And then after that, I made the hat. So I used a half circle and then I rolled it and I glued it together when it overlaps, and then I glued it on top of the toilet paper tube. After that, I drew a little beard and I cut that out, and then I glued it on. And then after that, I just got a marker and I drew 2 little eyes and a cute little smiley face. And that was super simple to make. And now for the sensory activity, I thought we could make slime, because who doesn't love slime? Okay, you will need a bowl and a spoon. We are going to be using white glue for this type of slime, and we're actually gonna make grape slime. Okay, so you will have to pour in half a cup of glue. Okay, so since we are doing grape, I thought we could use purple. We are going to use purple food coloring. I'm not going to add too many drops. Ooh, it's a really pretty purple. Okay, and you're going to stir it. And it looks really pretty. I have to pull all of the edges of the bowl. Okay, so we are going to use grape scent, so it's gonna smell yummy, but do not eat it. I'm gonna add a lot so it can smell yummy. And then you're just gonna stir. Okay.
So now we'll be adding about a 1/4 cup of liquid starch to bring it together.
You're gonna stir, stir, stir. And you can see it slowly come together.
So once it comes together, you should be able to pick it up, but there are some cases where it's not ready yet, or their hands are warm, so it'll melt it and it will be kind of sticky. So you can add model magic to it and just mix that in.
Okay, so I know this sensory activity is a little different, but slime has a different type of texture. It always has a different type of textures, like sticky or it's a little stiff. So I thought it would be fun for the kids to see slime if they haven't. And it's just fun to look at and play with. And also we added a lot of grape scent, so you can smell it. And so they are using their nose and they're smelling the slime. Also, I do want to say that slime is very messy sometimes, so I would recommend wearing like an old t-shirt or a little apron. Also, do not eat the slime or put it on your hair or the carpet, because that is not fun.
So this is the final look, and it's kind of fluffy, but it's still super stretchy.
Wow, it's so pretty too, and it smells delicious, but do not eat it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye.